Hello everyone. So this is the quick tutorial. If your Galaxy Buds Plus is not when you open the Galaxy Buds Plus first time and you find out that the Galaxy wearable app isn't showing you the Galaxy Buds Plus, so this is what you have to do. So let's see whether this Galaxy Buds showing in this device. As we can see, the Galaxy Buds Plus is not showing. What you can do is actually you have to plug the charger, the cable charger, and then make sure that the charger has the power, and you have to actually make sure that the center light here turned into a red light. So this light is green now. You can actually try to just do something like this, and then it will turn red, and then let it charge. Or if it turned green, you just simply do something like this and let the light constantly turn into red. So if oh no, it's still changing. Make sure that should be constant red. Yep, it's oh. There you go. So the center light is red now. Just let it charge about 1 hour or 2 hours, and then let's pair up again.